Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today we've got an update on the fun size palette, as the title suggests. So I just wanted to talk to you about this video. It's not going to be long at all. I'm doing this collab with the Fantastic Ladies over on Facebook. So it's a Fantastic Ladies collab. The creator of this collab is Jacki Lootens. I'll leave all the information down below. Yeah, I mean, it's a fun collab. I didn't join it like right from the beginning, so I am a little bit behind. But I wanted to basically, I'm going to cover this one because this is the most use I've done this month. I wanted to use this Natasha Denona mini retro palette and get as much use out of it as possible. It's going to be in all year. A lot of my projects are not in all year round. Like the That's Expensive project pan, I bring different items in every month. But I want to talk to you about this first. So last month in my That's Expensive project pan, we used this Dior, what's it called? Dior Glow Designer. And I really enjoyed using it. It looks like that. It's really, really pretty. I'm showing it you because then you'll understand how I used it and things with this palette that I'm going to talk to you about now. So, right. I haven't used it that many times, and if I hadn't used it with that Dior palette then, I probably wouldn't have made as much progress as I have. So, as you can see here, major pan there now. Started off with baby pan a couple of days ago, and it's just expanding, as you can see. The rest of the eyeshadows, yeah, they're definitely getting used, but not as much as I would like. This brown one though is, because I use this a lot. I use this with palettes like the That's Expensive project pan one. I feel like, if anything, this one is going to see pan over the rest of them. I do use this as well. I'm wearing the shades today. Let me sit back. I'm wearing them today. So I'll tell you what I've got on today. I've got this one on here. I can't tell you the shade names, but on the back you can see literally the wearing away. I think that one is, I don't know, I wouldn't like to say. So I wore this one in the crease, sorry, not that one. I wore this one in the crease, then I wore that in the outer V. Then of course this all over the lid. Then I got this Shop Me Say Pore highlighter and just used it for the inner corners. I don't even know if this is going to record because it's saying I need to remove some storage. So I'll try not to talk too much longer. Sorry about that, I had to remove some videos. That's the crap thing about this iPhone. It's a new iPhone, but it's got so much stuff on it. I need to take a day to actually remove things. What I should be doing when I film is I should just be removing the footage. Anyway, as I was saying, this one here, I just put that all over the lid. Then we use the Pore highlighter for the inner corners. I think I'm back on track now. The other shades, I use this one time. And then I use this over the top. I don't like this as an eyeshadow. I said that in last month's update. I use this also one time as well. I really, really like that. I feel like after this one's gone, this one would be the focus. And then these two. Not so much bothered if I don't hit pan on this, because obviously when this is gone, I'm not going to be able to use this with anything unless I find a shade like this in my collection, which I don't think I have one. They're just, those two shades are just so beautiful. Really, really like them. I'm really happy with the progress because I didn't think I'd have any progress to show you. I probably used this palette about 5 times because I was using it with my That's Expensive eyeshadow palette. Other than that, if I hadn't used it, there definitely wouldn't be this showing. I'm glad that I did think to utilise it that way. I'm going to be utilising it that way going forward with all my, like, if I can, if the colour story's there, with all my That's Expensive project pan palettes. Let me show you what I pulled for this time. If you've watched That's Expensive project pan, you'll know what I pulled. But I pulled this one. It doesn't have a pink shade in there, but it has like a grey taupe. Now this one looks like it's got hard pan, but I'm going to try and utilise that silver with this. I'm going to try and use it by itself, but also I'm going to try and put a bit of that silver over the top of it and see how it looks. I can't wait to use this blush. I've not used it yet. I'm using my Shop My Stash stuff at the moment. I mean, I pulled something out of my Shop My Stash today. Look at the base, guys. I absolutely love it. And it's all down to, let me show you. I've not used this in years. I've had it a hot second. It's the Laura Gellar Balance and Brighten Foundation. And I saw an advert, I think it was on Facebook, like a video from Laura Gellar, and it said that, you know, at my time of life, my age, we shouldn't really be using liquid foundations because it settles into fine lines. And it said that this was a good one to try. And I'm thinking, I've got that in my drawer. I might actually try it. So I tried it with this brush that I got from Wilko many years ago as well. So I tried it with that. It is a bit soft. I would have liked a stiffer brush than this, but it worked out so well for it. So probably next Shop My Stash, you'll see this in my Shop My Stash. It's not in now. I just wanted to try it for today, and I'm really, really liking it. It's worked well with the rest of the powders that I've used. So I just wanted to give that some credit in this video as well. Anyway, this concludes the video. This is the look for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like. It really does help my small channel grow. Share and comment. And if you're new here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. I post videos 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. And they're all beauty related content. Okay, thanks for watching again. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.